Hey everybody, we're going to show you how to create your own blog on Google Blogger. So if you go to blogger.com, this page will come up and you want to click on sign in. And here I'm going to do this with my school account, and that's all set to roll. So I've already created a blog page on here, but let's hold on a second. For you, it will look like up here. Otherwise, we want to go and create a new blog. So from that left pull down menu, new blog. So when I click on new blog, this is just a title for your blog. This will not be the blog URL. So I'll say this is a test blog for me right now. For you, you can choose it relevant to maybe your name in our class. Do not make it relevant to your topic or project at this time because that may change as we go. So I'm going to click next. Choose a URL, right? So everything's going to end in blogspot.com. So I will try something here. Welty test blog. It says the address is available. So I'm going to save that. I'm actually going to write that down as well. So weltytestblog.blogspot.com. This will be the URL you're going to share with me on the assignment, so I have everyone's blog sites. So I'll click Save. Processing. Okay, and here we go. Here's the default page. It does say test blog up there. Remember, that's what I named it earlier. And really, we only need to be concerned about posts right here. You can always change your layout of your blog and do things right here. You can choose a theme for your blog. There's a lot of different themes you can choose, so you can personalize your blog that way as well. Once you create pages, all your pages will show up here. But let's go back to posts, and we would want to go to new post, for example, to make our first post. So if I click on new post, I just have my editor here. I'll want to give that blog post a title right here. So I'll just call this my first blog post. This is how you make a blog site on Blogger. Okay, and so I can obviously add in images, video. It will let you go right from YouTube as well. So very convenient. I can preview it. I can save it. So maybe I'll just save it for now. Okay. You can save it without publishing it. So if I go back right now for a moment, here's my first blog post. It says it's a draft because I did not yet publish it. But if I click on it again, if I go publish, that will publish a post to your blog. And now if I actually go to that blog site, which was, if you forget the name of it, where do you go, right? Good question. View blog. So this is where I want to go. So I'm going to go to view blog, and that will then take me to my blog. So here's, right? It was under that account. Here's my test blog. That's what I called the whole blog. And then here's my first blog post, today's date, and what I wrote. To submit the proper link to your post, hey, we want to actually click on that post. And then I'll go up to the URL bar up there and copy and paste that site to my actual blog post to the assignment. Okay. So that may be all we need to do right now. I can just hide this tab, and I'm back to where I was. So, and you can obviously log out and do what you need to do there. So that's how you make a blog on Blogger. Again, if you forget the URL, just click on View Blog, and the URL will show up in the bar up top, and that is what you can copy and paste to submit your blog site. Thank you. See you in class.